This is an unboxing, setup, and review of the Jack Frost from Home Depot 2023. Okay, so once you're getting in, you're gonna wanna set the box down. Make sure the kind of printing is on top, because I believe that's how this is supposed to be oriented. And then you're just gonna slide this section out. After you've done that, this is where we can start to unbox everything. So here's the base, nice square poles, which I'm glad to see. Shoe, pretty nice and thick. Arm, normal arm with black foam on the inside instead of white. Same with this one. The clothing. One pole, again, nice square poles. The leg foams. The shoe. Over here we have one hand, the other hand, the adapter, let's grab his head, and there we go, and then the module. There. Here it is, just standard waist motion and head turning. Oh, and don't forget your second leg pulls. So I'm gonna get this cleaned up and be right back. So in the box, you should get the head, the two leg foams, the two left and right hands, the two shoes, which I believe are the exact same mold, the two straight leg poles, the base, the scarf, the shirt or jacket, the pants, the kind of module, the arms, the adapter, and the two bent legs. So let's start setting them up. To start your setup, you're going to want to take the two straight poles labeled B and snap lock them in. Next, you're going to want to take the two shoes and just slide them on. Then you're going to want to take the two bent leg poles and snap lock them on there. Then you're going to want to take the two pieces of leg foam and just slide them up onto the legs, like so. And you're going to want to take your pants and put them on, like so. Next, you're going to take the module and snap lock it on to where this is upside down, to where his legs are facing forwards. And then after that, you're just gonna want to go ahead and pull up the pants. Next, what we're gonna want to do is take the suit jacket and put it over the module up there. There we go. The suit's pulled up over the module. Next, I'd recommend putting the two arm pulls in. Then you're gonna want to take the two hands and put them on the sleeves. Then after that, take the head and not snap lock it, but set it in, where is it? There. On the underside, you'll see right there, that just slides into that. And then you're gonna wanna take the scarf and just wrap it around his neck to your liking. Then last thing you're gonna do is take the cord out and plug it into his control box. Connect all those wires, all the wires inside him coming from the head and the sensor and stuff. Now that he's plugged in, you're just gonna turn him on the setting you want and watch the magic happen.
Santa took me out to his workshop. Guess he wasn't down to chill. So I have come to bring you a winter wonderland with extra frostbite. Tis the season to be absolutely covered in snow. When you freeze over, I'll be sure to carve you into a beautiful ice sculpture. How about a swan? Are you lost? This is no place for a warm human like yourself. Soon, you'll end up a frosty popsicle like me. Only not snow attractive. Get it? It's freezing, isn't it? Just as I like it. Frozen to the bone. I guess you could call me a pretty cool guy. Aw, guess you didn't like that joke, seeing as you're frozen in place.
Okay, so that was Jack Frost. I really do like this guy. I love his concept, but I do have a couple, or at least one con with him. Or two, actually. So the first one is, mine's eyes did not work out of the box. They're very glitchy. I've gotten them to work once, but then they just shut off after a little bit. So it's something about the wiring that's the problem. Then secondly, if you look over here, I hot glued it, but there was a rip in the latex. And that also concerns me. But other than that, he works fine and he looks awesome. He's great quality, and I definitely plan on putting him out around Christmas time, along with my skeleton Santa, which hopefully I'll have a comparison between the two, Jack and Skeleton Santa, on my channel soon. Well, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, setup, and review, and demo of Jack Frost. And I hope to see you again soon.